Hello friend, I am Ajit. Today I am going to discuss about flatulence. Flatulence is nothing but gas that is produced in our GIT or alimentary canal. GIT means gastrointestinal tract. If you see the composition of flatulence or gas, that time we'll see that nitrogen and carbon dioxide. So this is the carbonated beverage. Sometimes we are drinking carbonated beverage like Pepsi, Coca-Cola and Thumbs Up, that also, and that causes flatulence in our GI system. So what is mean by flatulence? First we'll see that gas formed in stomach. I have drawn a stomach diagram also, which causes an uncomfortable feeling, and you can say that is the accumulation of gas in the alimentary canal. Alimentary canal is nothing but GIT. GIT, that is from mouth to anus. And if you see the causes of that flatulence, that mainly cause of more air than usual, or eating food that is difficult to digest. Sometimes we are eating food that if that food is difficult to digest, that time causes flatulence. Or some disease, in that some disease we can see that is IBD, inflammatory bowel disease. In that inflammatory bowel disease, again two parts is there, that is Crohn disease and ulcerative colitis. That colitis is mainly indicated that inflammation in the colon, and you can see in case of inflammatory bowel syndrome also. One more cause is related to that is not chewing food properly. When you take food, that time if you not chewing the food properly, it may causes flatulence. Or excess soft drink. Soft drink is mainly cause of flatulence. And if you want to manage that flatulence, so what kind of management we have, we'll see that pharmacological management means, in that management we can manage through pharmacological management, means by the drug, by the medicine. How can we treat the patient in case of flatulence? So you can give tablet also, that is tablet is Bestozyme 1 BD. BD means bis in die 15, and this Bestozyme is a digestive enzyme. It will help to digest your food. That may be Astrozyme, that may be pepsin kind of syrup, and you will go with the tablet Gastractive 1 VD AC. AC means before food. If you see the Latin term of AC, that time we'll see that antecebum. Antecebum means before food. And you can go with a tablet Ganatone 50 milligram BD PC. PC means post-sabum. Post-sabum means after food. You can go with the 5 days with this tablet. And if you want to go with alternative, this tablet is not available, then you can go with a kinetics. You can go with tablet kinetics 5 milligram BD PC means post sabum 3 days. You can continue, and if necessary you can go with antihelminthic drug, that is gentle 400 milligram OD 3 days, or SOS means you can go with this also, and that is the antihelminthic, and it is the generic It is a branded product, and if you go with, if you see the generic product, that is albendazole. And second portion, that is 1 teaspoonful of soda or salt in water after meals. You can go with also sometime for management of flatulence. That is a useful for that in case of flatulence, and they are indicated that they are saying the fast relief from acidity, and that is a branded company is there, that is GSK, and fruit salt, and gets work in 6 seconds. They are advertising like that. So this is the, if you see the flavor, that is lemon flavor is there. There is lemon is there. This they are saying that this is lemon flavor. So you can use that is also for management of in flatulence. And we have two conditions. That is condition number 1. If mucus stool, if your stool is contained with mucus, that time you will go with, that is Flagyl, that is anti-amoebic drug. In case of Entamoeba histolytica, in histolytic in infection, that time we can use, that is Flagyl 400 milligram BD 5 days. And condition 2, if you see that there is a constipation case is there, that time you will go with paraffin. This paraffin is 15 milligram to 13 milligram. You will take paraffin. And if you want to go with non-pharmacological management, that is without drug, without medicine, how can we approach, means how can we overcome or subside the problem flatulence? That is, you should avoid, that is oil containing food. And if you are a smoker person, then you should stop the smoking. And if you alcoholic person, you should stop the alcohol drinking. And you should avoid the overeating of food, you should avoid. And regular exercise, and you should go with regular exercise to improve, there is important point is there, to improve the tone of abdominal muscle. To improve the tone of abdominal muscle, you can go with regular exercise. And sometimes you can take food, that is fruits, citrus food, that is useful for, that is citrus food. In that citrus food, you can go with citrus food for management of flatulence also in non-pharmacological way. And you must stop carbonated drinking. The carbonated drinking, already I told, that is, that may be thumbs up, that may be Coca-Cola, that the bottle is there, you can see from here. So you should stop like this beverage. It will cause of flatulence. And if you, after giving this treatment, the patient is not improved, then you can rule out, or you can find out there is a condition of some laboratory investigation. You can go with some laboratory investigation, that is stool investigation. You can go with for to find out the amoebiasis or giardiasis and tapeworm. These are parasites. So at stool examination, you can came to know if the infection is happening. And for hemoglobin also, you can go with to find out there is anemic condition is there or not, to for hemoglobin level. If you see the hemoglobin level, then you will come to know there is the anemic condition or not. You can go with to find out the blood sugar level, and you can find ultrasonography, that is in shortcut form we will say that is USG of gallbladder. And sometimes you can go with a sigmoidoscopy and gastroscopy also. And I have already told that is amoebiasis and giardiasis. These are the parasite. These two are parasite, that is Entamoeba histolytica. And giardiasis mainly cause of giardia parasite. So in that way we can manage the flatulence. So this is the pharmacological management, non-pharmacological management, and what is flatulence I have already discussed. So please comment me how can you feel about my videos. Thank you for watching.